Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering the keyboard and preparing the receiver or Bluetooth host. Insert fresh batteries and switch the keyboard on so the LED indicates power. This confirms the keyboard can broadcast. Once done, if your model uses a 2.4 GHz USB dongle, keep it in reach of your computer's USB port. Make sure the receiving device's Bluetooth menu or USB port is open and ready. This initial readiness prevents lost pairing attempts and speeds the connection process. If you're using the USB receiver, plug it into your computer and allow the host to detect it. Drivers usually install automatically. Then press and hold the keyboard's connect button for 3 to 5 seconds until the LED blinks. This signals active pairing. Make sure the receiver stays within 1-2 meters during this step, because distance affects signal negotiation. Once the host recognizes the device, you'll see a confirmation or the LED will stabilize. At that point, test keys to verify successful pairing. For Bluetooth pairing, open your device's Bluetooth settings and choose Add Device. Put the keyboard into Bluetooth pairing mode, typically by holding a Bluetooth or FN key until the LED flashes, because that broadcast allows the host to find it. Once your host lists the keyboard, select it. Sometimes you'll be asked to type a PIN shown on screen, so do that to confirm identity and security. After pairing, type in any text field to confirm every key responds. If not, retry pairing or check battery level.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.